Learn how to use ShowingTime. Today I'm going to show that to you in this video. Okay, so once you log into Paragon and you have your list of properties you want to see, you want to enter them in. So I've already put in the 4 listings that I want to show, and then I'm going to hit search. So I click search and all the properties show up. There's a few different ways you can do this. If you already know you want to see all 4 properties, just click this button. It'll select all of them, and you can click actions and ShowingTime. And then this will allow you to make sure you have the way that people want to confirm your emails. If you put phone call, you will receive a strange call recording from the ShowingTime office. So I've unclicked that. You can have an email confirming and a text message confirming. So I click those and then I hit add to showing cart. Then I'm going to pick the date that I want to show the properties. And I can also click who the buyer name is. You don't need to, but if you wanted to put the name, you could do that by hitting add new, Joe Schmo, and the description is there. You don't need to disclose your buyers to the agents that are showing. This is just for your own reference. So you click that as okay. And then I love how it shows you a map. So you can see right now the way it's organized, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it makes no sense. So what you can do is click and drag. So you can click number, let's say we're starting at number 1. I want to do number 3 right after, because that makes sense. I'll take this, click it, drag it up, and then it automatically moves. So now you're at 1, 2, 3, 4. This pathway makes a lot more sense. And then you can choose the time as to when you want to go. So you can choose if it's a showing, second, third, fourth, virtual showing, agent preview. You can choose whatever you want here. And then you can have any notes that you might want. You click the time that you want, and then it automatically just does it. Any notes, and then you hit save. And then right here, it's not sent a request to the realtor yet because you have to click send request. So in here, you can kind of go through and choose everything that you want. This is so easy. As soon as you hit send requests, which I won't do, it will send all of the requests to the agent, and then you'll be able to get a confirmation. If you are using the app, you can look in your app and it'll show you all the properties that you have viewed, that you've requested, to make sure that you've got everything figured out. So very simple. If you are in the listings and you're kind of looking, the other way you can do it is when you're here in the property, you can actually just hit schedule a showing straight from the listing, and you're just scheduling the single showing. You don't have to schedule it in the cart, but you could add it to the cart. And what it'll do is it'll just dump it into a cart, and you can choose which tour you want it to go into. So if you click it on there, it'll add it to that cart. And it's just like the cart we had just previously. So you're able to kind of have a running tally. You can go back to the listings and continue to search and decide that maybe this one's okay or next one's not okay. You don't have to hit schedule showing. So it's really simple. Hopefully this video helped you. If you have any questions, comment down below and I'll make another video to answer your question. Have a